Hi folks, today we will see how to prepare a receipt for a payment received. So uh, DAL for ledger, and we have received a check uh, from Paramount Medical Equipment. The check amount is 4998 So I am going to prepare a receipt for that. I am closing that sales, indicating I have received a check. So I need to prepare a receipt against that payment. So as usual, every accounting, cash related, invoice, purchase, payment, everything is in accounting voucher, or you can simply press the letter V, and there is a receipt in the right side. You can see over here, either click the receipt or press the F6 button. So it is shifted to the receipt section. So the date, I have received that payment on 27/2022, and the account I have received through a check, and I have deposited in the National Bank of Rasalgema. If you have received by cash, you can type the cash. Since I have received the payment by check and I have deposited it into National Bank of Rasalgema, that is our company bank. I have deposited the check in this bank. So I will press this, and the check which I have received from is Paramount Medical Equipment. And here in the leftmost side you can see the current balance. So they have given the entire check. So 4998 is the received amount. That invoice has already been made. So by submitting that invoice only they can prepare the check. So there is a reference. It's not a new reference. There is already a reference of sales. So the bill details are displayed over here. The invoice I have submitted on 27th May, alright, and I have received the payment on 27 July. 20th of July I have received the payment. Okay, enter. No, I have not received any advance, so enter. So this is the section where you will enter the check details. Installment number is the invoice number. So for that I will see DAL Paramount Medical. Invoice number is 28325. 28325 is the invoice number. The installment number there denotes the check number. So voucher, receipt, National Bank of Rasalgema, Paramount Medical Equipment, 4998, and the installment number is check number. 000234 is the check number. Installment date is 20th of July, and the bank which is their check has been issued from the Emirates NBD UAE, and you can type of the narration if you have any. So this will not be displayed in any other print form. It will be only visible for you who is operating the tally. So check number is 000234, dated 20th 7th. There is no special narration for me. I am just typing for your reference. Okay, then press enter. Either press Y, or you can just press the enter button. Okay, now the receipt for that has been made. So we will just check the balance. DAL Paramount medical equipment. So the closing balance you can see it's 0. So I will show you one more thing. When you make the period to, so here you can see I have given a sales on 27/5 as I mentioned before, and now on the 20th 7 this is the thing which this is the receipt we have just entered on 20th 7 through the Rasalgema bank. We have deposited 4998 and we enter the thing. You can see what we have entered just right now. Okay, how to see the statement I will show you in the next video. Thank you.